Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla! Well, my people, Dancehall skilla there here again with some more things to talk to you about. And I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Now, I am going to present to you pieces of videos that are from one video that have been posted on social media. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the entire video will be recorded. The entire video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between two females, and the confrontation escalated to a point where those two females fight with each other. See? Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting these pieces of videos to you is because the entire video has been talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to let me know what you think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in these pieces of videos. You see what I say? Yeah, and I want to say to each and every one that it's best to walk away from certain confrontations. I understand the viewers and subscribers. You see me, I say, me keep saying it over and over, and it just makes me feel like we're saying the same thing over and over. But I always gonna try to cry pieces. So I say, anyways, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, I want to please bear in mind that in these pieces of videos, you can hear females yelling and shouting. In these pieces of videos, you can hear harsh language. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Look, listen, observe, and you can tell me what you think. People are so upset.
That's why I'm not
you don't let me cuss like that.
Alright, but people, I have to stop it right there, so let me see if we can move it further down the line. That's what I say, cause right there, so fight start. That's what I say, I don't really want to show that part there. Right there, so fight start. Certain things will get damaged in the place and all them things and people. So hold on there 1 second. From me, I look on the start of this video of your subscribers, I said to myself, so this is one heated confrontation. That I said to myself, you know. So I say, so I make sure so I take caution and I present that video to you. I don't really actually want to show no fight and then, you know, certain things will happen, you know. Alright, see the rest of the video here. Look, listen, and observe with me. Well, that's all I could show you for the rest of the video with people. So I say, yeah man, walk away. Walk away. You hear when at least one person in the video say walk away. From the confrontation start between those two females, the two of them should just walk away. Yeah, so I say, if you're subscribers, you know how much videos me say certain things like this. Walk away when it comes down to certain type of confrontations. Because if you keep on argue with the person, the confrontation can escalate to a point where certain things happen that can be considered as bad. Yeah man, so just walk away. Walk away. Walk away. Yeah man, just walk away my people. You see me? No crime, no violence, no fighting. Just know my people. I too big woman them there still. You know? I'm in the years of a blame and say this one wrong or that one wrong or who right from who wrong and so forth. Before some blame the two of them. Because I too big one me see in the video where they argue with each other or involved in the confrontation. Yeah, some would have see it if anything. I better blame the two of them. Because two of them should just walk away. Yeah, so me hear some words put together in some unique ways that I never really and truly that think about viewers and subscribers. You understand? And on a real, me I tell you the truth, my people. Don't go up say that the confrontation and whatever happened between those two females just done right there, so see. But you can let me know what to think about some of the things that I saw and heard in those pieces of videos that I presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another topic. I got information that the Jamaica Constabulary Force has activated a high alert for a missing 4-year-old girl who goes by the last name of Morgan. Now, I am not sure how to pronounce her first name, viewers and subscribers, but according to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, I got the understanding that her first name is spelled M-E-L-A-N-I-A. The Jamaica Constabulary Force also gave an address right here that I'm looking at, viewers and subscribers, but I'm not sure. But the Jamaica Constabulary Force mentioned a Kingston 8 address. You understand? I don't want to make any mistakes when it comes down to giving certain information. Anyways, I got the understanding that the police said that the 4-year-old girl has been missing since Monday, June 27, the year 2022. And the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that the 4-year-old girl was last seen at a school sometime at about 2 p.m. And I assume that the 2 p.m. mean on the date where it is said that she was last seen. Yes, so me I say, yes, so the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that she was last seen wearing her school uniform, a blue tunic, and a pair of black shoes. It is said that she has been not heard from since, viewers and subscribers. See? So the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that she's of a brown complexion, slim built, and about 122 centimeters tall. See? Are 4 feet tall, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, so if anyone have any information that can help the police to locate the missing 4-year-old girl, contact the police immediately. Do not hesitate. So may I say, yeah, this is really and truly a high alert, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so just I give information according to what I got information. Sad, you know? And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present to you a piece of a video that had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The video shows how a man had been arrested or detained by police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. One of the reasons why this video is being talked about on social media is because of the way how police officers handled the situation, viewers and subscribers. And according to some comments that I read about this video on social media, I got the understanding that quite a number of persons talked about how the man was behaving when he was being detained or arrested by police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the man had been arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The man had been accused of resisting arrest, and police officers used the force in order to arrest or detain the man. It is alleged that at least one of those police officers, who you can see in the video, attacked or hit a person who was video recording the incident. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if the person who made the video that I saw moved a little distance away from where the incident took place and then returned closer to where the incident took place because of what at least one of those police officers had done that I saw in the video. I'm going to present the piece of video to you that is from the entire video that I saw, viewers and subscribers, and I want to please bear in mind that in this piece of video you can hear persons yelling and shouting. The entire video shows when police officers use the force in order to arrest or detain that person, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this piece of video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the piece of video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
And they going on about the block and do them thing, boy. And they come on people who looking for it, boy. Show what I want, man. Looking for it out there, boy. Come on, boy. And they going on about the block and get on, so, boy. You looking for it there, boy. Boy, you the man now, boy. Boy. And I could make it out there, boy. I show what I want.
Watch out, go for me, boy.
You come in here and get on there. Come here, now. Come here, now. You're ugly, boy. You're ugly, boy. You're ugly, boy. Show what I want.
Go for me, boy.
Show what I want.
Really upset, you know?
And they going on about the block and get on, so. You're ugly, boy.
Go ugly, boy, go for me, boy.
And they market police all the states open. And they running down nobody. They running down nobody. They running down nobody.
Go for me, boy.
You're weak. You're weak. Now I don't pay to watch you market. See what market goods. Let's see what market goods, right? I show what I buy. Want to see what market goods on your ship, right?
Wow. Him seems really upset. Him seems really upset, my people. See? Yeah, for real. So I don't have any real confirmed information as to why the man had been apprehended or arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago viewers and subscribers. As I say, yeah, just some allegations that I got about the whole situation. I don't know. Me now go just tell you allegations just so and make it seem as if I confirm information. No. You see? Yeah, but you see, if you listen to the video carefully, you know, you might get an understanding as to some of the things that happen viewers and subscribers. You understand? Even though, in my point of view, those are things that you hear in the video might not be confirmed information about the whole situation. You understand? Yeah, but one thing for sure, the video is being talked about on social media, and so just one of them kind of videos. You see me I say? Basically, confrontation and somewhat of an altercation between civilians and police officers versus subscribers. Alright? Anyways, I have to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Stay safe. What good?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.